Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when your Xbox One simply won't turn on. Now, the first thing you want to go ahead and try is simply unplugging everything on your Xbox One. So I'm going to unplug the HDMI cable and then also the power cord. Then go to the front of the Xbox One and hold down the Xbox power button right here. And hold this down for like 20 to 30 seconds to drain any kind of residual power that may be remaining. Now you're going to want to do the same thing on the TV as well. Now when you plug back in the HDMI cord, you want it in this spot right here, the HDMI out. If you go to the HDMI in, you will not have a signal. You want to go to the HDMI out. Now you want to do the same thing on the back of the TV. Unplug the HDMI cord and try a different HDMI cord as well. Maybe that is the issue. And unplug your TV from the wall outlet and leave it unplugged. Then you can try flipping the power switch on your power strip. Turn this off and then wait a minute, turn it on. And sometimes you might want to go ahead and try a different power source. So maybe you're not getting enough power through a power strip. Plug it directly into a wall outlet. Now you can also try launching your Xbox One into the troubleshooting mode to see if a signal does indeed pop up on your TV. Now to do this, you want to hold down the eject button and the sync button under the Xbox button right here. Hold both of these down, then press the Xbox power button and hold that down. And you're going to want to hold both of these down for approximately 15 seconds, so you'll hear one beep, and then about 2 or 3 seconds later you will hear another beep. Then you can go ahead and let go. So I heard the first beep. Now I'm going to wait until I hear the second beep. For the second beep, I can go ahead and let go. Now on my TV, there should be a signal popping up that is in a lower resolution and it's going to give me some options. So from here, there are some things that we can try. If our Xbox just simply doesn't work, we can go to reset this Xbox and then we can restore the default settings, but we can keep all the games and apps. If we go to the first option, then we can go to remove everything. Otherwise, we can plug in a USB device and we can do a system software update. Offline system update option on the upper right. Otherwise, we can just go to continue if we have a signal under here. And then it will start up the Xbox like normal, but we're going to have to change the resolution because the resolution will be in 480p. If this is working now, you want to go on over to settings. Then under general, go over to TV and display. And then select this. And then up the resolution to 4K or whatever you have as an option. And then go to keep and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.